In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pop-out effect in Canva. First, open Canva project. Now go to upload and upload your image. So I have already uploaded. And select the image. After that, go to edit image. Click on magic grab. Click on the main image. Click on the grab. Now select the background. Go to top. Select border style. Make the corner rounding 25. And here you go. So this is how you can make pop-out effect in Canva. Hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.